Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can customize our character in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Among Us, and here you just want to simply click like let's create a game. Now I will show you how we can do it. So you want to come to this computer in a game and click customize, and here you can simply customize the character and choose a pet if you want to, skin, or yeah. And this is how you can do it. So this is how you can easily customize your character in Among Us. And thank you very much everybody, and have a great day. Goodbye.